young artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, get ready to satisfy your artistic cravings as we draw a simple and cute cake. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's get started. Grab your black marker, and let's begin our cake creation. Start by drawing a base for the cake, a simple rectangle, to give our cake a sturdy foundation. Then, draw a square shape on top of the base. This will be the main part of our cake. Don't forget to add a candle on top for that extra touch of celebration. Let's add some decoration to our cake to make it even cuter. Next, draw two cute eyes and a friendly face on the front of the cake.
Wow!
Now, doesn't it look absolutely adorable? To make our cake stand out, let's make those outlines bold and sharp with our black marker. This will give our cake a defined and polished look, ready to be decorated with colors. And now, let's add some color to our delightful cake. Grab your color pens, blue color. And let's make our cake vibrant and mouth-watering. Blue for a cool and calming touch.
Wow!
Cream color. Cream for sweetness. Pink color. Pink for a touch of whimsy. Purple color. Purple for a royal feel. Orange color. Orange for brightness. Red color. Red for passion. Yellow color. And yellow for a sunny disposition. There you have it, a simple and cute cake that's as sweet as can be. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more creative adventures. Hey there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to have a blast drawing and coloring some fun lipsticks. Ready to get creative? Grab your black marker and let's draw our first lipstick. Watch carefully. We'll start with a simple lipstick shape. Draw a big rectangle for the base and a smaller rectangle on top for the lipstick part. Great job! Now, let's make it extra special. Draw a cute heart shape on the lipstick and add two wavy lines on the top part. It looks fantastic! Next, we'll draw another lipstick. Again, start with a big rectangle for the base and a smaller rectangle on top. This time, add a beautiful flower on the lipstick.
La da 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 dee.
Don't forget to add some tiny black seeds-like spots on the top part. It's looking great! For our last lipstick, draw the same big rectangle base and smaller rectangle on top.
La 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 la
Now, let's make it shine with a big star on the lipstick and add some tiny stars on the top part. Look at those stars sparkle! Our lipsticks are dancing on the page. Now, let's outline everything with a bold black marker to make our artwork pop. Fantastic job! Look at the artwork! Awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to add some color. We'll use rainbow colors for our lipsticks. Here we go! Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Wow, look at those colorful lipsticks. You did an amazing job today. Thanks for joining us at Toddlers Art Hub. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun art adventures.
Yay!
See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.